Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable battery power saving mode and explain all of its settings on Realme GT Neo 3 series. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our settings and simply find the gear icon on your phone that says settings. Click on it. From here, locate battery settings. There should be around here green icon with a battery on it. Now there should be power saving mode right here, and you can enable it like this. So if you enable it, you can see that here you'll be able to see more options, and we're gonna check that in a bit, but let's go back for now and see what it does. So right here, if we enable power saving mode again, it changes our phone to one battery lifetime for 1 day and 22 hours and 30 minutes. If we turn it off, the time is changing to 1 day and 20 hours and 10 minutes. So you get a couple of hours of power if you enable this mode. There's also super power saving mode, which you can enable, and that changes your phone drastically. So let's turn it on and just show you what it does. So right now it's enabled, and we can see that our phone is a bit different. We don't have normal home screen. It changes to something like this. The screen is black, and we can add apps right here to access them, but we don't have all of them like usual. So now to leave this mode, let's click on this exit button and then exit super power saving mode. From here we'll need to open our settings again and locate the battery yet again. Now this thing changes our battery lifetime to 2 days and 18 hours. So that's almost 3 days of battery instead of 1 day and 20 hours. So that's very handy if you just need your battery to last for a long time. So now let's go for the settings, and let me just explain you all of them. We'll need to turn on power saving mode and go for default optimization in order to change the settings. And the first one is to reduce screen brightness, and if you enable it and go into battery saving mode, your screen brightness will reduce a bit. Next is to change auto screen off time for 15 seconds. That's the setting for your screen timeout, and sometimes you have set it for 2 or more minutes, and it changes it to 15 seconds right here. Next is disable background synchronization, and that blocks all apps like Google Photos, your Google Assistant, from synchronizing with internet. And so for example, if you upload your photos to Google Photos, they will not be uploaded automatically, and you'll need to do it manually. So if you enable that, it just prevents your phone from doing idle stuff. Next is to lower the screen refresh rate, and that basically changes your refresh rate for the screen, so how many times your screen refreshes in 1 second. And I think normal setting is 120 refreshes per second. And now let's check it out in our display. And screen refresh rate. So if we set it to high, there's 120, and in the standard there's 60. Now auto screen off, that's what I mentioned, is another option that we disable, and it changed to 15 seconds. Okay, now let's go to the battery again, advanced settings, and then battery power saving mode, and then default options. So we just covered all of the options in default optimizations. Now let's check any other setting right here. Next one is turn off automatically, and if your battery reaches 90%, this mode will turn off automatically. So for example, if you put it into a charging and your battery is charged to 90%, it will turn off this mode automatically. Next is to turn on at specified battery level. So if you want this mode to be enabled automatically, you can set the battery percentage from where this mode will start. So for example, let's choose to be 75%, and right now my phone is at 94. If it drops to 75, it will engage this mode automatically. So that's actually it for all battery power saving settings, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.